What is good? What is good? I am good. I am coming back to you in a weird angle because I'm in my new house. I'm so excited. Yay! I'm in my new house. I just moved in. Well, I just got the keys yesterday. Haven't moved anything in. It's still very much empty. I haven't stayed here yet. I've still stayed at my boyfriend's house for the time being, and I'm at an awkward angle because I have no furniture in here. You might hear echo. No furniture though. And yeah, I just want to show you guys around for an empty, unfurnished apartment tour like a YouTuber would. So my space is small, but it's good enough. It's just me living here for now. But yeah, it's just me living here. And yeah, I just want to show you guys my little space that's good enough for just me. So let's get started. Okay, so right here we have the front door. This is where we come in, obviously. But yeah, this is the front door. It's white, it's nice, you know. Then behind me over here, this is just like a little closet that I probably will not be using. Well, I know I won't be using because it just has the furnace and stuff in there. So this is what that looks like. It's two double doors right when you walk in. And in here we just have the furnace and the water heater and stuff. Nothing too crazy. I wish that wasn't by the front door. I wish my closet was there, but it's on the other side, so. I mean, that's a weird design. I don't know why they did that, but whatever. We just won't be using that side. But yeah, here's my kitchen. So walking this way, we'll have vinyl floors up until this space. But yes, here's my kitchen. I have stainless steel appliances. So nice. I have like the flat top stove, the electric stove. That's really nice. I got gray cabinets. Yeah, gray cabinets, and then the little, what is this, counter space? This has like this really cool white pattern on it, which is really nice. And I love the backsplash. It's just white and clean and crisp. And up here, I have white countertops. Then I'll have my full fridge that is all for me. I'm excited about this fridge because I share with nobody. I don't have to worry about eating nobody's food, and nobody has to worry about eating my food. So it's all mine. This is my fridge. It's literally as tall as me, so I'm very happy about it. Taller than me. And my freezer. Nothing too crazy. But yeah, on to the next. Next to my stove area, I have this drawer, or this door, that leads to my washer and dryer unit. This was a must. Like if you've seen my apartment tips video, I said that this was a must in my house. Like I'm not trying to go anywhere to do laundry. So yeah, that was that. Then on the other side, we have my pantry. So I do have a light in here, which is nice. And it goes all the way to the back. So I have plenty of shelving space. Super nice. And yeah, that's nice to have. All right. Then over here, I have my dishwasher. And yeah, it just looks like this, normal dishwashing stuff. No, I never used the one in my last house. I never used the dishwasher in my last house because I didn't know how to use it. I still don't know how to use it, but we're gonna figure it out this time because I'm paying for it. So here's my sink, and then the rest of my counter space. I still have that like cool white countertop space, and I have two drawers under my sink as well. And up here is like my little bar area, so I'm gonna put like a couple chairs up here, probably just two. So that should be enough space for that. And this is the overview of my kitchen. It's very nice. It's very modern. I love it. And this is like the vinyl flooring that I have, which I also really, really like. Over here is my living space. We have living room furniture. And yes, super nice, casual, but I'm gonna show you, turn it around so you guys can get a better view. Okay, so here is my living room area. I don't know if you guys can see that well, but here's my living room from the front door. So looking at my living room, this is what the area looks like. It's very open, very nice. But yeah, my plans for this space. I like it. The carpeting is soft. I really like, and it's new. All my appliances are new, so I'm in love with that. It's nice. My walls are like a light gray. I don't know if you guys can see that. Light gray. But yeah, I'm probably gonna put my TV up on this wall, and then I'm gonna have my couch and my chair and whatever else, my rug and stuff over here, and whatever else I decide to do with here. But my couch isn't coming for a couple weeks, so we will be doing that soon in my furnished apartment tour, which won't probably be for like a couple months or so. But anyways, moving on. Balcony. So this is my balcony area. Super, super big. Well, not super, super big, but it's big. How do I open this door? To be honest, that just took me a little minute to figure out how to open this door. But yes, I have a screen door. So this is the screen, and I have the sliding door. So yeah, are starting to like come into my house. So here's the balcony. Super nice. This is the window from my living room. I mean my bedroom. And then right here I have a storage closet, which I already put a few things in. It's a nice little space to keep extra stuff. And yeah. Here's my living room from this angle. Okay. Coming this way, we have a little entryway, and this is where my guest closet is, or coat closet, whatever. Extra storage space, put coats, jackets, and stuff up here. Probably gonna put my towels up here because I don't really have a linen closet. So yeah, gonna do that. Then here is where my bathroom is. But yeah, it's super crisp, super clean. Still in my work attire, but my pants keep falling down, so just ignore that. But yeah, here's me. Hey guys. But yeah, here's my bathroom. I got the sink. I got those same gray cabinets, same vinyl flooring, which I love. I have a little rack right here. I have like a curved, I don't know if you guys can see that, but like a curved shower rod, which I like. And here's my tub, and I have this little push button like they have in hotels for my flusher. And then I have this towel rack here, and I have a medicine cabinet here. So yeah, there's that. We're moving on to the bedroom where the magic happens. Just kidding, I haven't even stayed here yet, so ain't no magic happening in here. And I have no light in here, so yeah. That's my ability. I'm showing you my bedroom with the light that I do have, but this is my bedroom. It's pretty spacious. It's really good for me. So I'm gonna have like my queen bed over there, my little patio furniture out there. I'm gonna probably have like a vanity desk or just a desk, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna put a vanity out on my desk. And then I have a walk-in closet. So, yep. And that is my space. And that is my space. That's my new home. I'm so excited about it. I really enjoy it. So far, it's so beautiful, so me. Good enough for just me. So I'm really excited about this new chapter in my life. I'm going to be doing a furnished apartment tour when it's done, when I have stuff in here. I'm gonna start off with getting bar stools because I need somewhere to eat. My bed will be here on Saturday, and then we're gonna move on from there with decor. So I'm so excited. I can't wait to show you guys the finished result. But until then, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a huge thumbs up. It helps me out so much. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.